In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send quiz leads to Shopify customers, and then how to automate what happens after the quiz using Shopify Flow. The first thing to remember is that your quiz has to include an email question. Without it, we can't identify the customer, so nothing reaches Shopify customers, and no Flow workflow will run. If your quiz doesn't have one yet, open the quiz builder, click Add Question, and pick Email Address, or simply drop an email block onto any slide. Next, Customer Tags. Tags let you carry a quiz answer straight onto the customer profile, so you can identify and target those people later. In the Quiz Builder, click a choice to open its settings and look for the Customer Tags section. You can pick one of your existing tags or create a new one. You can attach more than one tag to a choice and create a common tag like Quiz attached to every answer. Click Save to confirm the changes. When someone takes the quiz, every tag attached to the choices they picked gets written to their customer profile. None of this works until the integration is enabled. Go to the RevenueHunt App settings, open the Shopify Customers tab, and make sure Enable Pushing Quiz Leads to Shopify Customers is switched on and saved. This is a global setting that applies to all quizzes in your shop. If it's off, no contacts arrive in Shopify at all. Preview the quiz all the way to the results to test this. Add your name and email. It may take a few moments for the customer to appear, so refresh the page or search for the email. Here's the profile. It was created by RevenueHunt Product Recommendation Quiz, and you can see the email, the name, and the customer tags from the choices made. If a profile with that email already exists, it gets updated rather than duplicated. Now we can build useful automations in Shopify Flow. On the App Settings page, you'll find the Shopify Flow section with a button to open Shopify Flow. If you don't have the Flow app installed yet, you can install it free from the Shopify App Store. In Flow, create a workflow and select a trigger. Choose RevenueHunt Product Recommendation Quiz, then Quiz Completed. This trigger starts the workflow whenever someone reaches the end of the quiz. Here's what makes this useful. Along with the trigger, we send the entire quiz completion into Flow. The quiz name, the response, the answers, the customer tags, the recommended products, and the quiz variable scores. Anywhere Flow offers Add Variable, you can pull that data in. Here's a simple example. Add a Send Internal Email action so your team hears about every completion. For the recipient, use your own address. For the subject, type Quiz Completed By, and then use Add Variable to insert the customer's first name, plus the quiz name so you know which quiz it came from. In the message body, you can do the same and go further. For example, insert the recommendations and list the recommended product titles along with their price or URL. Format it however you like, then turn the workflow on. Here's what lands in the inbox. You're not limited to a single action. Add a condition after the trigger, for example, checking whether the quiz completion tags include dry skin. If that's true, one branch runs. If it's false, another one does. This allows you to create automations based on the customer's answers or recommendations. You can connect the workflow to other Shopify features or installed apps like email apps. From the quiz completed trigger, you can add conditions, use Shopify actions to update customer data or send requests, and connect actions from installed apps like Klaviyo or Shopify Email. The possibilities are pretty open. And if you're not sure how to build something, Shopify Sidekick can help you assemble the workflow. You can also trigger a quiz flow based on tags. Open the Shopify Flow app and create a new workflow. For the trigger, select Customer Created. Then, add a condition to check if the customer contains the tag quiz. This ensures the flow only runs when someone takes your quiz. Finally, choose an action. For example, send marketing email or trigger any other app integration available in your flow setup. You can continue building your sequence however you like. And that's it. You've now connected your quiz to Shopify Customers, set up automatic tagging, and learned how to trigger Shopify flows after quiz completion. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.